What's going on, everyone? Mike from the Pipe Doctor, 516-348-6300. We are based in Valley Stream, New York, and I just want to show you guys what came in the mail today. All these boxes. Let's take one down. See that? Navien. Boxes of parts. So as a Navien Service Specialist, we have to have the parts for their products in stock. And that's what we do at Pipe Doctor. You know, they have the NHB, the NCB with the NCBE, the NPE, and the CH. Unfortunately, they never sent us any of the NFC or NFB boxes, so I'll have to open up a can of whoop ass on our South Korean partner, Navien, and get them to send us more. We need more. If you got a Navien, or if you want a Navien and you want it professionally installed, look at this. I got everything here. We got Navien heat exchangers, right? But if you need a Navien or you want a Navien and you want it professionally installed, serviced, and maintained, you need to call Pipe Doctor. 516-348-6300. We got the experience, the training, we're professional, and we're fully stocked. I know, 4 and 5, fully stocked. We got it taken care of. High five! High five, we got it taken care of. I love Navien. The guys love Navien. And our clients love Navien. And if you take care of it, it'll take care of you. You know what? I tell my customers all the time, you can't expect to drive your car from New York to LA a million times back and forth, put on millions of miles without changing the oil, without changing, maybe even the engine. I'm going a little too crazy, but you can't drive your car a million miles without doing any kind of maintenance on it. So why would you be driving your high-efficiency condensing modulating boiler a million miles without doing annual service? There's a reason why they make things like this. This is the calcifer by Rector Seal tankless water heater flush kit. My truck's got them in it. Why? Because you have to flush the heat exchanger. Look, I got 2 of them right here. 2 Navien heat exchangers. You have to flush the heat exchanger annually. If you don't do it annually, you're going to get problems. If you don't put in a NaviClean magnetic filter system on the return pipe, and you get shit in your pipe, in your system, you get what you deserve. So don't pay twice, don't pay 3 times, pay once, and call Pipe Doctor, 516-348-6300. You need to do it now. Or get sodomized by the hack who thinks he knows what he's doing and is going to rip you off, and then you're going to pay twice. So don't pay twice, pay once. Call Pipe Doctor.